Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So children, yes, we have completed this chapter number 5, Project Sunshine. Yes, and also we have discussed the question answers. Yes, section A, section B, C and D. So children, and also we have discussed personal pronouns, yes, possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. So children, in today's class we are going to discuss some occupations. Okay, and children, so come to the page number 57. So children, here section B, Jeet's uncle was a pilot. Find out what you would call these people. Complete these sentences with words from the box. So here children, what we have to do, we have to complete these sentences, okay, with words from the box. Here they have given some words. Yes, here they have given some words in the box. Yes, so we have to complete these sentences. Okay, so here children, the first sentence is there. Yes, a person who protects people and keeps us safe is called S dash. So children, now what you have to do is you have to pick a word which suited to this sentence in from this box. Yes, we have to find out what you would call these people, and we have to complete these sentences with words from the box. So children, a person who protects people and keeps us safe is a police officer, isn't it children? A police officer, yes, protects people and keeps us safe. Yes, so here children, the first one is police officer. Yes, so children, now the second one, a person whose job is treating people's teeth. Yes, a person whose job is treating people's teeth is a dentist. Yes children, a person whose job is treating people's teeth is a dentist. Okay, so children, now come to the third one. A person who writes news stories is a journalist. A person who writes news stories is called a journalist. Yes, a journalist writes news stories. Yes, news stories. So children, a person who writes news stories is a journalist. So children, now here fourth one. A person who travels in a space is an astronaut. A person who travels in a space is an astronaut. A person who paints picture is an artist. Yes, a person who paints pictures is an artist. Yes. So children, a person who protects people and keeps us safe is a police officer, and a person whose job is treating people's teeth is a dentist, and a person who writes news stories is a journalist, and a person who travels in a space is an astronaut. Yes, and a person who paints pictures is an artist. Okay, so children, here assessment of speaking and listening. So children, look at these pictures. They show you, yes children, they show you how to make a paper plane. So आपको आता है बच्चों पेपर प्लेन बनाना, तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने कुछ स्टेप दिए हैं. ओके, इस स्टेप को फॉलो करते हुए इन्हें आपको सबसे पहले रीअरेंज करना है. ओके, रीअरेंज करके उस स्टेप को फॉलो करके आपको एक पेपर प्लेन बनाना है. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन डू इट एंड सेंड इट टू मी. ओके, so children, now here children see pronunciation. Say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sounds. For example, sir, for example children, kite, case, pocket, check, quick, kitten. Yes, so children, notice that these letters in bold in these words have the same sounds. Yes, like kite, cake, pocket, check, quick, kitten. Yes, kite, k. Yes, case, kite, pocket, check, quick, kitten. Yes, children, now say these words aloud. Notice that the letters in bold in these words have the same sound, like goat, league. Yes, goat, game, begin, egg. Yes, goat, game, begin and egg. So children, now come to the So children, now let it be. So children, you have to make a paper plate, okay, and do it and send it to me. So children, now come to the page number 59, okay. So children, here see, fill in the blanks in writing part. Fill in the blanks to get the steps that Jeet and his father and his uncle followed to build the plane. Then write it down in a paragraph. So children, what we have to do here, we have to fill in the blanks. So children, they have given 1 2 yes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 boxes. Yes, so they have given 8 boxes. So children, we have to fill in the blanks. So yes, to get the steps that Jeet and his father and his uncle followed to build the plane. Then what we have to do, then we have to write it down in a paragraph. So children, let's get started. Okay, so here children, see in a first box. Yes, first Uncle Shrish draw a sketch of the plane, isn't it? Yes children, so the first step is Uncle Shrish draw a sketch pen. Yes, then children, then they cut out the basic shape with a saw and smoothened it with sandpaper. Yes, so children, then next they drew the wings and tails and yes, save those off. Yes children, then next, then Jeet glued the pieces of wings and tail together. Yes, so children, the first step is first Uncle Shrish drew a sketch of the plane. तो अंकल श्रीश ने क्या किया, सबसे पहले ए प्लेन का क्या किया, स्केच ड्रॉ किया. यस, फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, सॉ से उस पीसेस को कट किया. यस, देन दे कट आउट द बेसिक शेप. जो बेसिक एक प्लेन का शेप होता है, उन्होंने सॉ से क्या किया, उसको कटिंग दी, और जो सैंड पेपर होता है उसको घिस के उस प्लेन को क्या किया, स्मूथन किया. यस, फिर द नेक्स्ट दे ड्रू द विंग्स एंड टेल एंड सेव दोज ऑफ. यस, तो फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, उसके विंग्स और टेल को क्या किया, कट करके उसको ऐसा एक शेप दे दिया. यस, तो फिर देन जीत ग्लूड द पीसेस ऑफ विंग्स एंड टेल टुगेदर. तो फिर जीत ने क्या किया, जो पीसेस थे विंग्स के और टेल के, उसको जोड़ के ग्लू से चिपका दिया. यस, हाँ. So children, then for the propellers they used 2 ice cream sticks and glued them onto each other in the middle. तो हमने देखा कि उन्होंने प्रोपेलर्स के लिए 2 आइसक्रीम के 2 स्टिक लेके उसको बीच से ग्लू की मदद से उसको क्या किया, उन्होंने चिपका दिया. यस, फिर क्या किया, देन अंकल शिरीष मेड द नोज ऑफ द प्लेन बाय फिलिंग अ लार्ज राउंड स्टिक. यस, तो फाइनली अंकल शिरीष ने क्या किया, उसको नोज बनाया. यस, मीन्स उसका जो सामने का जो पार्ट होता है, जो नोज की तरह दिखता है, उसने क्या किया, अंकल शिरीष ने, उन्होंने क्या किया. Yes, then Uncle Shirish made the nose of the plane by filling a large round stick. Yes, so फिर then Jeet painted the plane bright yellow color. जब वो पूरी तरह से सूख गई, तब उसने क्या किया, जीत ने अपनी जो एरोप्लेन का जो मॉडल उसने जो बनाया था, उसको येलो कलर पेंट किया. यस, एंड ही कॉल इट सनशाइन. यस, तो फिर लास्ट में उसने उसका नाम क्या दिया बच्चों, यस, सनशाइन. अपने प्लेन को क्या नाम दिया, सनशाइन. यस, यस, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, then eighth. So these are some 8 steps. Yes, how Jeet made a aeroplane model with the help of his father and Uncle Shirish. Yes, so children, now come to the punctuation. So here children, what we have to do, here we have to rewrite this paragraph with suitable punctuation. Use capital letters, full stops, commas, क्वेश्चन मार्क्स एंड एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे स्पेस कम है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे इसको रीराइट नहीं किया है. ओके, तो मैं आपको यहाँ पे जो उसका जो सही पैराग्राफ मैं यहाँ पे आपको पढ़ के सुनाऊंगी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे इसको रीराइट नहीं किया है. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन सी हियर, फर्स्ट अंकल शिरीष ड्रू अ स्केच ऑफ द प्लेन. यस, फर्स्ट Uncle Shirish drew a sketch of the plane, then they cut out the basic shape with a saw. Yes? Rewrite these paragraphs with suitable punctuation and use capital letters and full stops, commas, question marks and exclamation mark. So children, see here, have you been on a plane? So here children, have you been on a plane? This is a question mark. Here what we have to do children, here we have to एट हियर क्वेश्चन मार्क. यस, ओके. हैव यू बीन ऑन अ प्लेन, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? तो बच्चों मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करूँगी कि कहाँ पे कौन सा पंक्चुएशन मार्क आएगा. ओके, सो हैव यू बीन ऑन अ प्लेन, यहाँ पे क्या करना है? हमें क्वेश्चन मार्क देना है. ओके, यहाँ प्लेन के बाद. यस, हैव यू बीन ऑन अ प्लेन क्वेश्चन मार्क. जीत इज गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप, हियर फुल स्टॉप. इट इज हिज फर्स्ट ट्रिप बाय plane, here also full stop. Here we have to start with a capital letter. Here H should be capital. Okay, here H should be capital. Okay, so children, here question mark, here yes full stop, here also full stop. Here we should start the first letter with capital letter. Here H should be in capital letter. Okay, so he sits down in the plane and buckles his seat belt. Yes, here also full stop. So here also the should be in capital letter. Okay, the plane moves very fast and then takes off. Here also full stop. Yes, here also full stop. Houses, here H should be in capital. Houses, cars, houses, here should be comma. Okay, houses, cars and trees on the ground look like toys. Look like toys. Here should also be full stop. How lovely. Here H should be in capital letter. Okay, how lovely it is to be up in the air. Here children exclamation mark. Okay, so don't worry about that children, I will send PDF. Okay, so children, here what we have to do is you have to complete your fair book. So children, now we have completed our chapter, the project Sunshine. Yes, so children, in the next class we will learn our last poem, the Song of the Engine. Okay, which is written by Christine Weatherly. Okay, so children, in the next class we will learn our new poem, the Song of the Engine. So children, till then stay home, stay safe, okay, and complete your fair book. So children, the next we will continue in our next class. So till then stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.